If you're looking for something natural for your number 11 lines, they're called the glabellar lines, this is going to be fantastic for you. This is the 11 line face taping trend, and I'm going to explain how this works, and I've got a new little hack for this. Okay, if we look at those lines, this can be related to the glabellar muscles, and all you're going to do, and that's why I love this technique because it's a natural technique, is using kinesiology tape. Now I have a new hack as well. I'm going to share that in just a second, but the kin tape is something that commonly you see athletes use for muscular strains and sprains, helping to stabilize different parts of their body for doing different types of athletics. But we're going to use this kinesiology tape for our number 11 lines, for the beauty aspects. I love that it is all natural, and of course all I want you to do is make sure that you test the adhesive. So you're going to cut a little piece for your number 11 line, so depending on how big your forehead is, just a little piece is all you need, but I do want you to test the adhesive because some people, you may have sensitive skin, so just do a bit of a patch test. You can do that on your hand or on your wrist. Leave it there during the day for a couple hours if you can, just to make sure that you're not reacting to it. But for most people, I have super sensitive skin. It doesn't bother me, but I want you to do that test for yourself. Okay, so how do we do this technique for our number 11 lines? You're just going to get your little piece of tape and you're going to peel off the backing, and then you're going to spread out. So if you do have some wrinkles happening here in the glabellar lines, you're just going to use your fingers to gently spread out that area and then simply apply your tape on top of those number 11 lines. So then you just press it down gently. This is ideally done on clean skin, of course, at bedtime, and then in the morning you just remove the tape. You can do this really at any time of day, but you know, people might just look at you a little bit strangely when you're walking around with a little piece of tape on your forehead. Now, I promised I would show you another little hack. So instead of using the kinesiology tape, one of the newer things that I'm doing now is using, of course, the silicone scar tape. So same technique, you're just going to pull off the backing, you're going to spread out the skin, again on cleansed skin. You may want to use a serum or an oil on your face before doing this. You're going to spread out that area and again just apply your silicone scar tape and then go to bed, peel it off in the morning. The great thing about this type of tape is that it's reusable, so you're just going to wash it under some soapy water, reapply it to your backing, and then you can use it again the next night. So you're going to love that. So I did mention using some natural oils, so I want you to check out another video that I have here, Erase Wrinkles with This. I talk about a very special oil there. You're going to love it. I'll see you there.